everyone, Nancy at Treasure Home, and here is my last video for the registration video for Grow Big TV contest. It is the Detriot Beet one. So it's like, I love beets. Oh my goodness, they're the best things ever. That's one of my favorite vegetables, between turnips and beets and all those good stuff. Anastasia and I like them. My son and daughter-in-law, her mom and dad think we're weird. But I grew up eating it and everything. As we grew in the garden and everything. So I'm super excited because I still have a lot of these seeds. So yeah, I have a lot. I'm so excited. I'm just like, it's time for, getting things together and everything. So go over to Grow Big TV, check out Joe and Courtney, and then they also have their own channels, Garden State Gardener and Wide Family Farm. So, see what they've got. Lots of garden tips and everything. And, they'll, if you have any questions, if they can't answer it, they'll get you somebody who can. And also, we're going to have a great year of growing our own food. And that's what I like about some of the things. Beets and all don't take long. Maturity in 60 days. So in 60 days, if you start now, May, June, you've got, stuff to eat and everything. So that's pretty exciting. So thank y'all for watching. If you haven't liked, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home. Oh, and the links are down below.